most of the time, especially if we had a discussion about our business or anything that is where the topic is all about. What I like about working in a team, it can help me it's very important to work as a team to accomplish everything. I don't have any dislikes. Well, the best advice that I can give anyone who would like us seller weeks is to work on their work ethics and their performance in a certain job that they're working on. Some of the good qualities of the employee. They always make sure that all his subordinates are in a good condition and that he provides benefits. I imagine my life with my boss and dad, spending my 2 year-old daughters, just relaxing, having so much fun in the city. For a certain company to be more environmentally friendly, they have to make sure that they have proper garbage disposal. They have some kind of activities like tree planting for their
Hindi mo siya pinilivery.
I believe the big reason why some other people in the workplace doesn't number one, it's kind of like their hobby already. To prevent that, you have to call attention. One example of communication at work is like providing, not providing exact details of your or the reason why you were late or you were late. They have to be good about it. So part 2 na tayo guys. Part 2 na tayo guys. After a thorough discussion, the shareholders approved. We usually send a lot of emails to your clients. appreciate your help, but is there any way to prevent this from happening again? It was unfortunate that he wasn't able to be look into the people you're going to meet and find a reason to set an appointment with them. How important would you say this issue is to your company? We're done with part 2, guys. Part 3. Talk about how you get to your office from your company, how you take what normally it took me an hour before I arrived at the office. Most of the time I first one. Well, it took me an hour before I arrived at the office, and so basically at the morning I ride a motorcycle going to proper Abugani, and then from proper Abugani I'm going to ride a bus or a van going to my office. So upon looking at the graph, Company L has 34% workload, while Company M has 37 workload, which is a bit higher compared to Company L. And the percentage with issues with the colleagues, Company L is only 20%, Company M 35%. Salary 46%, which is really high, and then Company M is 18%. So, hello everyone. So today I'm going to discuss about some work-related stress comparing Company L and Company M in 2018. So let's talk about the workload. At Company L, the workload is 30%. Company M is 47%. So Company M is much higher compared to Company L in terms of workload. Issues with their colleagues, Company L is 20%. Company M is 35%. So Company M has higher percentage when it comes to issues with their colleagues. And in terms of low salary, Company L is 36%, while Company M is 80%. So Company L is much has a higher percentage in terms of their low salary. languages. So part 5 na tayo guys, communication activity. So this is kind of like a conversational assessment. Ways of getting to know colleagues, topics to think about. Wow, wow, that's a great start. Well, if you were new in the company and you want to get along with your new colleagues, of course, you have always, especially if you meet someone who asks for the name, like say greetings, like good morning, good day, then always smile to them, ask their names, and always address them with their first name. Um, some of the best topics that you can discuss with your That's a great idea. You can invite them to visit your house, then you can cook like some delicious food that you usually do at your house, and after maybe lunch or dinner, you guys can watch movies or play some sports like basketball, billiard, or do swimming activities. That's all you have to do. Well, for me, it depends on the situation. Let's say, for example, you are an interviewer in a certain company. Of course, you have to ask for what age is the applicant, because it's part of the interview questions. However, if it's just personal talk, maybe it's inappropriate for me. Well, not unless you are a political analyst or you have a political science course. You can talk about it with your friends, colleagues, or even your professors. But most of the time, I don't recommend you can open up about any topics in politics with your colleagues because it's inappropriate. It's always better to talk about work-related topics to avoid issues. Right. Okay, we're done, guys. So there are 5 tests for the speaking test, guys. And our score will be sent to our email, so let's check our email. So, cross finger, hope we pass. Japanese store guys.